Hi everyone, today we're gonna make a fancy chicken salad sandwich. So I'm gonna use my classic chicken salad recipe, which was taught to me by my dad, and I'm gonna combine it with a Waldorf salad. So a Waldorf salad is from the Waldorf Hotel in New York. Now, originally in the 1880s, the Waldorf salad was just simply a chopped up apple and some celery chopped up, dressed in some mayonnaise. It has evolved over time to be something a little more like we would know today, which is a regular salad with the celery and the apple, but also with some grapes and some walnuts. So I'm going to take my classic chicken salad recipe, which already has some celery in it. Normally I would put onion, so I'm going to leave that out, but I'm going to add the other elements of the Waldorf salad. So I'm going to add the apple, the grapes, and the walnuts. And I think it's all going to combine to be a really tasty, fun sandwich. So come on, let's go play around in the kitchen. I'm going to use a rotisserie chicken that I got at the supermarket. I'm just going to cut the white meat off of it. I have some beautiful fruit. I have some walnuts here that I'm going to chop into smaller pieces, and then we'll add some celery as well. The original Waldorf salad calls for mayonnaise. I usually use mayonnaise and a little bit of Dijon mustard, so I'm going to stir these two together and use them to dress the chicken. Well, here's all the white meat chicken that I pulled off, and I'm going to add that dressing that I just made with the mayonnaise and a little bit of mustard. So first I'm going to stir all this together, and then I'll combine the other ingredients. Now I have the dressing on the chicken, I'm going to add the other elements. So here goes the apple, the grapes, these are red seedless grapes, the celery, and for the crunch, the walnuts, avalanche of walnuts. And now we're going to stir this up to combine it. I think that looks beautiful. Now let's serve it up. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed that recipe. It was a lot of fun to make. Please let me know if you tried in the comments down below. Please share this video with your friends, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to join me on Sundays at 11 a.m. Eastern Time for my live show live from the Dolce Vita Cafe. I hope to see you there. Bye.